What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I want to first things first. You know how we always start off Monday. Happy Monday! I appreciate everybody who's subscribed to me over the weekend. I had my first video do 1,000 views in a day, so it's all up thanks to you guys. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on. Man, I'll drop videos all the time. Last week was a good, rare week. I just had so much content. I actually dropped 8 videos last week. I dropped 7 for people, and then I dropped the member only video. So if you're a part of the membership team, it's a video up there for you guys. Go watch it. Sit down part 3 with Carlos. He's dropping a lot of knowledge in game like he always do. So I want to just start doing more exclusive member only videos for people who's joining the membership, because I appreciate you guys and I appreciate everybody who's watching the video. So if you haven't already, subscribe. But let's get into it. People been asking me like what software I've been using. So I'm gonna get into it. So let's get to it. So the software I use is called Frazer. It's like $55 a month. I think you save $10 if you pay it in 3 month term. It's like $155 if you pay it in 3 month term. But it's $55 a month. It's kind of the simple software that I use. But I'll show you guys how I use it. And also, I did a sit down talk with a guy named Edward. He's an up and coming YouTuber. I'll pin the description. I'll pin that sit down interview in the description below. Also, just go ahead. Also, after you watch the interview, just check out his channel. Subscribe if you guys interested in the content. He got some good content, so just check out a few videos. If you like it, subscribe. But yeah, let's get into it. And also, okay, let me talk for a second if y'all don't mind. I have a lot of stuff coming this week as well. Some good videos. I have another walk around coming Wednesday. Tomorrow, y'all see a video of taking a truck to Mako. Y'all, it's a before and after. It's all in one video. So before and after. And also Wednesday, I'll be dropping the first episode to the Wise Owl Show, the Wise Owl Show, the Wise Owl Podcast. And as three, I had somebody make me 3 intros for it, and I'll put those all at the end. So I'll definitely appreciate you guys' feedback if you guys can help me out with that. But let's get to the video. Alrighty, so boom, I load my computer up, and bam, I click on Frazer, let it load up, checking servers, blah, blah, blah. See, they pop up, buy here, pay here, dealer, special, pause, payment. See, now you can, I want to pause it right here and read that. Boom, then you just click OK. I should have just clicked on ask again. Then it loads up like that, and it keeps track of inventory. Bam, you keep track of all your inventory, and it's pretty simple. You just click on, like, say this is the Kia Turbo. Bam, it's click on there, and then you can just put basically how much you paid for it. So I paid $300 for the car, and if you did anything else to the car, just put additional costs right here. Just put it in there. Just say boom. Say I did an oil change at my, like, say oil change, blah blah blah. Where I don't have one of his cars, do I? Right off hand, but yeah, I have an oil change guy. Boom, I'll put my initials, JJ. Boom, select a vendor. 44 Auto is where I get my oil changes from. I have other vendors, and it costs $25. So bam, bam. 25 and save. Bam. Oil change. And if you want to add, you just keep adding any additional costs if you want to. But now you got your added cost in there. And now it shows what the added cost was. It shows you the date that you got it, the vendor, and bam, $25. Yeah, so bam, you see that. And then if you have any additional costs, you just put it in there, and wherever you take your cars to go, get them serviced or whatever you do, any work you do, even if you go to Walmart, buy some hubcaps for it, just make sure you save all the receipts, put it in there, and bam, it's quick and easy too. So let's turn it back on. Boom, then you got it in. It gives you a preloaded stock number. You got used, use right there, but you can also change it to new, demo, rebuild, salvage, so any one of those. But I just always click it as use. But if you got a rebuild or salvage title, but then it breaks down all the '07 Kia Rio, automatic, 4-speed, boom, boom, boom. And then you can put the miles on here, but if it's exempt, you can just leave it exempt. Bam, quick. And then just save vehicle. Keeps track of all your inventory, displays all your vehicles. You can display all the vehicles, or you can just display all the sold vehicles. As y'all can see, I sold a lot of vehicles. The list just keeps going. So y'all see, I sold a lot of vehicles. A lot of vehicles. A lot of vehicles been sold. And then right here is your customer. Let me turn that off. I don't want to reveal any important information, but we can do something like this. Boom, here we'll enter a cell, and bam, when you pop it up, if you already have your preloaded settings, so say if you were doing buy here pay here, you can already have your preloaded interest rate in there, preloaded extra fees that you charge and stuff like that. But bam, you just switch it to a cash sale. Only thing I charge people is a title fee of $11 and a $50 dock fee. So just say I'm selling. We'll do something. We'll just go through. I'll just show you some little stuff right now. So just say $1,000. We're not really caring about what we're just demonstration, or 10,000, whatever. Blah blah blah. Doesn't matter what we're selling. Then you have the customer right here, and like I said, you just make sure you always put all the information. You're gonna put JJ, blah blah blah. You can just JJ, and then address 12112, and zip code 73 here in Oklahoma. Blah. You make sure you got that. Make sure you got the phone number. I almost put my real cell phone on there, but I ain't go. You almost got me. We just put a random number on there. And you don't have to fill out any of this additional information, because you're gonna make a copy of their license. But if you want to, you can put their license in there, and when it expires, and all you do over here is we're just using demonstration, select vehicle, and then we'll just put a tag number in, blah blah blah, and then you can always select the salesperson. So boom, that's all you do. Select the salespeople. Boom boom boom. You got me. Boom. Select. Save and exit. And if you want to add a co-buyer to the deal, you just click co-buyer. Bam. So one. Bam. Blah blah blah. And then if they got the same address and stuff, you just click, and then bam, they got the same address, different names. Saves. Boom. If it's got a lien, so boom. So if you're doing outside financing, this will pop up, and then you just select the lien holders and exit. If you buy here, pay here, and then say if you buy here, pay here. And if the lien holder is different from a Dollar and Dream auto sales, you just click, and all your lien holders pop back up once again. Just quick, it's just really just user friendly. It's nothing really hard about using it. It's like one of the easiest softwares that I've used so far. I know it's probably one that's cheaper than that, but I like this one. You can integrate, like say if you get your website listed up, and then you can integrate your website with Frazer. So whatever vehicle that you put in your inventory, it'll automatically go to your website, but it will just be blank pictures, and then you just go through and upload the pictures later. But the VIN will already be in there, and it'll already be decoded. But then we'll show you. We're gonna show you a little bit more. So let's get to it. Once you get everything added to the cell, everything, blah blah blah. Then you just go complete a cell. You just leave the mileage at 0 because it's gonna print out exempt. And you just put your initials in. Bam. Save. Click. Then because you don't want to print out the miles. And then you just print a receipt. Boom, that you get to the customer. We're not gonna print a receipt, not gonna waste paper. Then you have the print form page right here. You just print all the ones you necessarily need. I already went over that. Or you can just print all white paper forms if you just want to do it. And then we're gonna show you how to cancel out a sale. So I'm gonna aim this down for y'all so y'all don't see people's personal information. people. You know, I can't be showing young people's personal information, even though it's just their name and stuff like that. But you know, we're just not gonna show it. So then you're right back here. So we're gonna just keep finishing working at the JJ deal. So if you ever want to cancel a deal, you just go to customer activity and click on the customer's name and customer processing, and you can change or delete transaction. You can add the code bar if you want to. You can cancel the sale, and once you cancel the sale, you can just add the customer back as a prospect, or just cancel the sale in general. And then you can just do a sales recap right here, and then just click go, and bam, it'll show you. It'll print it all out for you. And boom, it'll show you the selling price, the net selling price, and then it just shows you the original cost is $300 plus the additional $25 for the oil change. You sold the vehicle for $1,000. You made a profit of $675 plus you added on the dock fee, so you have a total profit of $725, and then another $11 if you get it. So it's just quick, simple, and easy like that. But we're going, and then it shows you. Then you just keep it in. Once, like you said, once you're done with the sale, you just print. Like, let me go back to you print off this sales recap. You print it off. You add that to the file, and it's.
Well, I appreciate you. You want to shout people out, letting people know where they can find you.
Yes. I am on Facebook, Instagram. You can find me at Karen's Flea Market, 4700 South Bryan at the KBS booth in the front.
Yeah, she got me taken care of. She once again worked her magic, and y'all see it. Y'all see it. Looks great on the back of her, don't it? Y'all see it.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem. You have a good one. Y'all see it. The Kia is now officially hooked up. Let's see it. It's been needing it done, but y'all see it. So, like I said, go subscribe. Go shout it out if you hear need. It's the Kia Turbo. Y'all get it. So y'all see Kia got all hooked up. Y'all see it in the back. Y'all see it. Biggest day on the windshield. Looks great. So Kia got hooked up. As y'all can see, I use Frazer software. Once again, it's $55 a month. Great, easy software to use. Keeps you in track. It keeps everything in line. Like I said, you can always add stuff, and it's all right there. And they keep all the files updated, and they always updating. So if there's anything updated, changing in your state, they will continuously update in your system, and all you have to do is click update, and it keeps you legal, compliant, so you don't have no issues. So that's why I use Frazer. Like I said, it's $55 a month. And like I said, the first episode of the Wise Owl Show is just an introductory episode. It's not going to be that long. I'll release that. It'll be released Wednesday. I think I'm gonna start releasing them. Let me know if Wednesday at 5:30 is a good time for me to release the Wise Owl Show every week. I think I'll do that every week at 5:30 Wednesday. Also, like I said, I have a makeup video dropping tomorrow. So yeah, it's the whole before and after. So y'all see the vehicle before, and y'all gonna see it after it's done. So it's all in one video. It's not like broken up into. I could have broken it up into more parts, but I wasn't gonna do all that. And also, I'm gonna put, like I said, I'm gonna put the three intros that I got sent for my video so far. Put those at the end, so you guys let me know exactly which one you prefer, 1, 2, or 3. You know, let me know in the comments below. But once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in and supporting. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe, man. Appreciate it. Everything you guys do for me. And like I said, I done an interview. That'll be in the description below. But appreciate you guys once again. I'm out. Peace.